So I've just taken the rally for a full service at Honda in Argyle, and they actually had decent mechanics, unlike the ones in Dumanhog, who basically they over tightened the crush washer on the drain bolt, and it ended up with me having too little oil in the bike. So that's the bike sorted now, and we're just going to head back to Bareilly from the other side of the island, and we're going to head up over the mountains. So just going to go for a little ride today. So for some people who watched particularly the second episode of my trip in Negros, mentioned, you know, that the scooter was holding us back a bit. I've now got my brother-in-law on the other CRF 300 rally, and he'll be taking that on the trips from now on, so we shouldn't be held back anymore, only by what we feel like doing. So we tried it out with the scooter because he was most comfortable, but taking him out twice so far this week on the rally, doing a little bit of road riding, and then also having to go at a few little tracks and trails, and he was fine on them. So early next week or later this week we'll be doing the Cebu Central Traverse, and tomorrow actually I'm doing a bit of off-road training as well, so I'll have a couple of videos for you later in the week and early next week hopefully. But for now I'm just battling the wind. I'm gonna head up into the mountains. This is Sabonga on the east coast of Cebu. We just got to scoot through here and then head up towards those hills up there. Quite a nice little place. Got quite a few decent little shops and stuff. Beautiful trees lining the road here. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Slow down and let Dreb catch up because we've got a right turn, it says in a minute. I have no idea where this is, but we'll see where it takes us. Blimey. I think it's along this way. We'll soon find out. Never been along this road in my life. Oh, look at that. Holy moly. That's a big cliff face. Wow, look at that up there. What the hell is this? I don't know where we are here. On a little track, I presume, that runs parallel to the vegetable highway. Wow, pretty beautiful. Look at that for a view. Holy shit, look at that rock up there. You seen that rock up there? Yeah. Would you like to stand under that? Shit me. I have no idea where this is. This is the great thing about here is you just go in little tracks and trails and little barangay roads that you just have no idea which little valley you're in, to be honest. As long as we're heading in the right direction, it's all good. I think it's up here. Proper little random path. Watch out, go. Check my GoPro battery in a second. Okay, fair enough. I'd rather stand up for that. Feel all right. It's alright, is he coming? Trevor, all right. What's he doing? What happened to him? Huh? Oh, did you drop it? Yeah. Ah, it's okay. Oh, you missed the gear. It's okay because they're coming off anyway. Is the mirror okay? Okay. Scratch? No. It's okay. Right, just let them come through. I'll come back to you in a sec. Yeah. Ah. Hey. What did you do? Miss the gear as you go around the corner? Yeah. Ah. They're quite tight, aren't they? Are you okay? Yeah. You're okay. You didn't hurt your arm or anything. You're good. Ah, don't worry about that. It's meant to be dropped. Ah, it's fine. Yeah, that's alright. Don't worry, that's only mud and scratch. That's coming off anyway, because that's... I'm surprised you didn't snap this. Leave her alright. I thought you were behind me 1 second, and then I was going up there slow, and I was going, where is he? Okay, I better go back. But I thought there was nothing major there. It's fine, the bike is in. What gear? Did you go into neutral?
No, the first gear.
You went to first gear?
I'm the second gear, but...
You go down?
Yeah.
And it missed what and stayed in second? So do you know how to deal with that? So what did it do? Did it just have no drive then? It had no, you couldn't go forward because it was too high a gear. Yeah. So you rev on the throttle, rev it, and you're going to hold the clutch around about the biting point and give it, and you have to play with this clutch, and you will find power. Even if you're in too low a gear, or too high a gear, sorry. If you play with this clutch and give it revs, lots of revs, and what you're doing is you're only feeding the power with your clutch. So if you give it power, and then you let the clutch out and you play with that bite point, and it will pick the motor up and drive it forward. Yeah. But that was a tight turn, so it might not have worked anyway. That's okay. It's okay, it's only that. This is what I said to you about these bikes are meant to be dropped.
This side is...
Don't worry about it, Dreb. I told you, didn't I, when I said we were going to ride these bikes, you're going to drop it. You know all these bikes get dropped, right? You know if you ride anywhere that's not just a simple little road, you will drop the bike at some point. And now you've done it, well done, you're not a virgin anymore. Don't worry about it, the bikes will always drop. The thing is that when we have handguards on, when we're on a long journey, what we don't want is snapping levers, because it becomes a pain in the arse. If you snap one and it snaps it down low, you've got no brake there, or worse still is clutch side. So we'll put the handguards on there, and then the rest of it's fine. This can take a knock. You maybe will bend these or something, but you can bend them back normally. So that's all right. That's quite a clean drop. You didn't snap this. What were you on? Cemento?
No.
What were you on? The gravel?
Swell.
Swell? Yeah. What's that? This stuff?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Oh, don't worry about it. So we're on a totally unknown route to me here, but it's a nice little route. I don't even know 100% where it's going to bring us in at. Wow, that's a nice view down there. So Dreb just had a little drop of the bike, just missed the gear basically, and I think lost his footing, but said to him that's to be expected. I don't know where we are now, but nice quiet little place, God. Let's see what it's like sitting down on this bike. Yeah, I'd much rather stand up. Just wait here for Dreb a second, just to make sure he's okay. Good man. Never trust a chicken.